Hello health enthusiasts, ever wondered what the top 10 healthiest vegetable-based recipes are? Today we delve into these nourishing and delicious recipes. We're going to explore the world of fermented pickles, olive oil-based dishes, and other exciting nutrient-packed meals. We all know that maintaining a balanced, healthy diet is key to overall wellness. And these recipes? They're not just good for you, they're a treat for your taste buds too. So without further ado, let's dive into the first recipe. Number 1. Fermented pickles. Kicking off our list is the tangy and beneficial fermented pickles. Fermented pickles, unlike the quick pickles you often find on supermarket shelves, are made through a lengthier fermentation process. This process involves a brine of salt, water, and various spices, with cucumbers fully submerged and left to ferment for several weeks. This fermentation results in the formation of live microbes that are fantastic for gut health. As you may know, a well-functioning gut is key to overall health. But that's not all. Fermented pickles also aid glucose metabolism and heart health. They're like little jars of health magic. But remember, it's not just about eating pickles. It's about eating fermented pickles. While the store-bought variety might be quicker to grab off the shelf, the extra time spent on the fermentation process is well worth it for the boost to your health. Plus, the process of making them can be quite fun and satisfying. So next time you're at the grocery store, reach for the fermented variety, or better yet, try making your own at home. And don't forget the important balance of sodium intake. Pair these pickles with low-sodium foods to keep your diet in check. To sum it up, fermented pickles are not just a tasty snack. They're a powerhouse of health benefits that can be a great addition to your daily diet. Whether you're picking them off the shelf or making your own, remember, fermented pickles are a great source of probiotics and can be effortlessly included in your diet. Number 2. Olive oil-based dishes. Next up, we explore dishes that make good use of the highly debated olive oil. One such dish is a classic Mediterranean salad, where olive oil plays a starring role. Here's how to make it. Start with a base of fresh, crisp greens like spinach or arugula. Add a medley of vegetables. Think ripe tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, and bell peppers. Then comes the protein. Maybe some grilled chicken or chickpeas for a vegetarian option. The dressing is where olive oil really shines. Combine extra virgin olive oil with fresh lemon juice, a clove of crushed garlic, and a dash of salt and pepper. Mix it well and drizzle it over the salad. Toss everything together, and voila! A hearty, healthy meal is served. But why use olive oil? Well, olive oil is loaded with polyphenols, which act as antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. These polyphenols can help reduce the risk of heart disease and improve overall health. But remember, like any oil, olive oil is high in calories, so it's essential to use it in moderation. It's also worth noting that there's a debate among health professionals about olive oil's role in a healthy diet. Some argue that a whole food plant-based diet without oil is the way to go for maintaining healthy endothelial cells. However, others link increased olive oil consumption to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. While the debate continues, olive oil remains a staple in many healthy recipes. It's versatile and adds a rich, robust flavor to dishes. So, whether you're drizzling it over a salad or using it to sauté vegetables, olive oil is an ingredient worth considering in your cooking. Moving on, we have a variety of vegetable-based recipes that will surely tantalize your taste buds. Let's dive right into the world of healthy and delicious cooking. Number 3. Avocado and black bean salad. Our third recipe on the list is the avocado and black bean salad. This salad is a powerhouse of nutrients, boasting the heart-healthy fats of avocado and the protein and fiber of black beans. To prepare this, you'll need ripe avocados, cooked black beans, cherry tomatoes, red onions, cilantro, and lime juice. Combine all these ingredients and season with salt and pepper. This salad is not only bursting with flavor, but it also offers a range of health benefits, including improved digestion and cardiovascular health. Number 4. Quinoa and roasted vegetable salad. Next up, we have quinoa and roasted vegetable salad. This dish is an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber. You'll need cooked quinoa, assorted roasted vegetables, and a lemon tahini dressing for this recipe. Mix everything together and enjoy this hearty, nutrient-dense salad that promotes gut health and keeps you satiated. Number 5. Spinach and mushroom stuffed bell peppers. For the 5th recipe, we're going to make spinach and mushroom stuffed bell peppers. This recipe is a fantastic way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. The bell peppers are filled with a delicious mixture of sautéed mushrooms, spinach, and garlic, then baked until tender. This dish is low in calories and high in vitamins A and C. Number 6. Nutty Delight Salad. Our 6th recipe is Nutty Delight Salad. This salad features a variety of nuts like walnuts, almonds, and pistachios, mixed with leafy greens and a light vinaigrette. Nuts are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making this salad a great choice for heart health and weight management. Number 7, sweet potato and lentil curry. The 7th recipe is sweet potato and lentil curry. This hearty, warming dish is packed with fiber and protein, thanks to the sweet potatoes and lentils. The curry spices not only add a depth of flavor but also offer anti-inflammatory benefits. Number 8, zucchini noodles with avocado pesto. Moving on to the 8th recipe, zucchini noodles with avocado pesto. This dish is a great low-carb alternative to traditional pasta. These zucchini noodles are tossed in a creamy avocado pesto, offering a hearty dose of healthy fats and vitamins. Number 9, Ayurvedic vegetable khichdi. Our 9th recipe takes inspiration from Ayurveda, the ancient Indian medicinal system. We're making Ayurvedic vegetable khichdi. This comforting dish is made with basmati rice, mung beans, and a variety of vegetables cooked with digestion-friendly spices. This meal is designed to balance your doshas and promote overall wellness. Number 10, roasted Brussels sprouts with balsamic glaze. Finally, our 10th recipe is roasted Brussels sprouts with balsamic glaze. This dish transforms Brussels sprouts into a delicious caramelized treat. The balsamic glaze adds a tangy sweetness that complements the sprouts perfectly. This dish is high in fiber and rich in antioxidants. With these recipes, you have a diverse range of vegetable-based dishes to choose from. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is variety and balance, so don't be afraid to mix things up and try new things. From salads to curries to Ayurvedic meals, these dishes offer a wealth of nutrients and health benefits. Enjoy your journey to healthier eating. Now that we've covered the top 10 healthiest vegetable-based recipes, let's recap. Starting with fermented pickles, not only do they add a tangy crunch to your meals, but they also contribute to your health in a significant way. Thanks to their live microbes, they improve your gut health, enhance glucose metabolism, support your immune system, and even contribute to heart health. Just remember to balance your pickle consumption with your overall sodium intake. Next, we discussed the use of extra virgin olive oil in dishes. It's not just a cooking medium, but a source of polyphenols acting as antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. It's worth noting that while there's ongoing debate about the role of olive oil in our diets, it's universally agreed that minimizing processed foods and consuming whole foods rich in healthy fats is beneficial. As for the rest of the recipes, from 3 to 10, each one was chosen for its unique health benefits. Some are packed with vitamins and minerals, others are high in fiber, and all of them incorporate whole foods and lean towards plant-based ingredients. Whether you're preparing a fresh salad with a drizzle of olive oil, a bowl of fermented pickles, or any of the other delightful recipes we've discussed, remember that each ingredient you add brings with it a host of health benefits. These recipes are not just about tantalizing your taste buds, but also about nourishing your body. Incorporating these recipes into your diet is a delicious way to improve your overall health. They are all packed with nutrients and flavors, and they make healthy eating enjoyable and satisfying, plus they're easy to prepare, making them perfect for anyone regardless of their culinary skills. Remember, a healthy diet is the first step towards a healthy life. Happy cooking and stay healthy. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.